Welcome back. For such a simple component, diodes have a huge range of uses. You will find a diode of some type in just about every circuit. They could be featured in anything from a small signal digital logic to a high voltage power conversion circuit. Let's explore some of these applications. A rectifier changes AC to DC. This is one of the simplest and most important applications of diodes, which are sometimes called rectifiers. This conversion is critical for all sorts of household electronics. AC signals come out of your house's wall outlets, but DC is what powers most computers and other microelectronics. Current in AC circuits literally alternates, quickly switches between running in the positive and negative directions. But current in an AC signal only runs in one direction, so to convert from AC to DC, you just need to make sure current can't run in the negative direction. This sounds like a job for diodes, right? The simplest circuit is shown here. The AC symbol represents a source of AC voltage. In electronic circuits, it is usually provided by a transformer powered from the AC power line. So for a sine wave input that is much larger than the forward drop, which is about 0.6 volt for silicon diodes, the output will look like this. If you think of the diode as a one-way conductor, you won't have any trouble understanding how the circuit works. This circuit is called a half-wave rectifier because only half of the input waveform is used. So, a half-wave rectifier can be made out of just a single diode. If an AC signal, like a sine wave for example, is sent through a diode, any negative component of the signal will be blocked. The next circuit is a full-wave bridge rectifier, which uses 4 diodes to convert those negative signals into positive signals. The signal across the load can be seen here, and note that the entire input waveform is used. The gaps at 0 voltage occur because of the diode's forward voltage drop. In this circuit, 2 diodes are always in series with the input. When you design low voltage power supplies, for which the diode drop becomes significant, you have to remember that. Full-wave bridge rectifiers are a critical component in AC to DC power supplies, which turn the wall outlet's 230 volts signal into 3.3 volts, 5 volts, 12 volts, etc. DC signals. If you tore apart a wall adapter, you would most likely see a handful of diodes in there rectifying the AC signal.